Stay tuned to see how I created my wig cap. Hey guys, so I wanted to create this wig cap because I've been running errands a lot lately and I've been working on getting my natural hair to grow and just kind of play around with styles because I'm contemplating locking it. And so I wanted something quick and easy to throw on in case I have to run errands. And so I decided to create this wig cap. So to begin, I grabbed this fitted cap that I have. I have had this for a very long time, and I'm not normally the biggest cap wearer, but I figured this would be a perfect base to start with. And then I'm also going to be using the Kima Master Top Grade Premium Fiber hair, and it comes with a complete set that allows you to create your own wig, and it is heat resistant. So I really gravitated toward this pack, and it actually was a really great quality of hair. It was extremely soft. The only downside was that it does shed a lot, and I did remove all of the wefts, but I only ended up using, I believe, 2 wefts out of the pack, and it comes with a 20, a 22, a 20, and 2 bundles of 24, as well as a closure and a bang piece. So this pack was only about $20, $24, and I got it from my local hair salon. And I'm just going in and using the Salon Pro 30-second Super Hair Bond Glue to attach the wefts. And as I place a line of glue, I attach the weft and then use my hair dryer to make sure that the glue dries. It really does not take that long. Basically, once you touch the line where you put the glue, once you stop seeing any residue on your fingers, that's how you'll know that it is completely dry, and you'll move on to your next section. I didn't work in completely small sections because since it's on the inside of the cap, the layout does not really matter, and so you don't have to be as neat as you would normally do if you were going to be making an actual wig, but you'll just repeat the process of adding the glue, applying the weft, and then using the hair dryer to dry. And this is where I started with the 24 inches of the weft, and this actually completed the rest of the cap. Now you are able to go ahead and glue down double wefts, but I went ahead and just used them singularly. Now, after having worn it for a little bit and kind of seeing how the hair lays, I would suggest doing the double wefts and adding the hair a little bit closer. I measured out about an inch between each section, so I would maybe cut that down to half an inch and just allow it to be a little bit more fuller. I also, next time I decide to make one of these, I think I'm gonna actually use like a beanie cap because I think that would be so adorable. And since I have hair left over, I can just use the remainder hair and use a beanie that I have. And you guys can let me know in the comments down below if you want to see me record that video as well. But I'm going to continue to repeat this process, adding the wefts and the glue, and then drying the glue with the hair dryer until I reach the absolute top of the cap. Now, of course, because I am not going to have the hair down in my face, I did not glue any of the hair past the top line where you see the black ends on the cap. But of course, you can go as far up as you would like. It's all up to you, personal preference, when you are creating your wig cap. Now, once I got all of the hair applied to the cap, I went ahead and added the little silky wig cap to the inside because I just didn't want anything to get caught on my natural hair. Now, I will say that this is a step that you can skip, because you can always place the wig cap on your head instead of gluing it down to the cap. Again, this is completely up to you, but I just wanted to do my best to protect my natural hair and prevent any breakage. So I'm just going through adding some of the 30-second bond glue to the wig cap, and then I'm going to use that same process to heat it up and make sure that it is dry. Just using my hair dryer and just kind of spreading it about so that it will stay attached in all of the places that I need it to. And I keep repeating that process until I have it completely glued down. And once I have it glued down, I will cut away any excess of the wig cap so that it doesn't show underneath. And again, this is not exactly my neatest work, but it got the job done. It also did not affect the outcome whatsoever. And so here you see me flipping the hat back to its right side. And it looks so cute, you guys. Like, the hair texture is adorable. I don't think I'll be straightening it. I kind of like it a little bit wavy, as though I just kind of got out of the shower and just threw on my baseball cap. And here is the completed project. This is my wig cap using a baseball hat. I think it came out really cute. It's very long, very silky, and like I said, I really like the waviness of it. Now I will go back in a little bit later and add some more tracks just to make sure that it is completely full and there are no gaps and it looks as natural as possible. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is about the time where I started to feel myself, because I love how it came out. It is so cute, and I will be very happy to rock this out anywhere. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. I'm so sorry the video was late, but I was so tired trying to edit and do my voiceovers that I just decided to go to bed. So I appreciate your patience. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you would make one of your own wig caps and whether you guys would like to see me do it on the beanie cap as well. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.